Horgan Flooring, and I'm actually looking for some wood flooring, and I hear you've got some new samples that you can show me?
Yes, we have some
Maybe we can
great
use?
new looks that I'd love to show you. Some
Okay.
really modern looks and styles.
Great.
Let's check
take
it
a
out.
look. Okay. Oh, I love to see the new samples when they come in, and of course we've got a lot of projects going on, so I'm always looking for wood flooring.
Yep. This is the Mannington engineered wood line right here. And these are some of the most modern, fresh looks that I think that we are carrying right now.
Beautiful.
Yeah, some beautiful different woods here, some exotics, some of the Pikayan mesquites. Just some great looks overall here, really.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So these are hardwood.
Yep, these are all solid hardwoods, and they have the wide board here looks real
They
sharp
really do.
looking.
Yeah, I love that. I love all of the textures, and
Mm.
some of these have a little bevel on that.
Put that down right there.
Beautiful.
Yeah, a lot of them have the wire brushing, and kind
That
of
is
an
great.
aged look. Yep, that's sharp.
That's
right there.
beautiful.
Slide that right out.
That's beautiful. You know, the beauty about a product like this is, you know, so many times we go into a house and we sand floors, and people kind of have to live through that process of sanding and polyurethaning. Not with this. It's a pre-finished hardwood floor.
Right.
You get that beautiful hardwood, already finished, and it can be done so much quicker. So,
Yep.
yeah, I love that.
Very resilient finishes that are already applied, as you were mentioning, and it already has that kind of worn-in look. So you
Absolutely.
don't have to worry about maintaining a certain level of gloss or any of that
Yeah.
kind of thing. This is the way things are trending right now.
Great for a house with a lot of animals and pets and action and kids, and if there's any little scratch or anything, it'll kind of be masked by the pattern of the flooring. So, yeah, that's great. I love it.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome.